Let me pull back the curtain on a travel revolution that's going to change everything you think you know about retirement adventures. Picture this. You're wandering through a vibrant street market in Italy. The aroma of freshly baked pastries fills the air, and you're savoring a warm, flaky croissant while soft accordion music plays in the background. Sounds dreamy, right? Now imagine doing all this without blowing your budget. Believe it or not, traveling in retirement doesn't have to drain your savings. Today, we're breaking down the ultimate roadmap to traveling the world on a budget. And I mean a real budget, not the eat crackers and stay in hostels kind of budget. I'm talking about 7 strategic travel secrets that let you experience the world without draining your life savings. Hi, I'm Trina. On this channel, we're all about retiring comfortably on a moderate income and thriving. Let's get straight to it. My version of budget travel doesn't mean cramming yourself onto a no-frills flight or surviving on granola bars. It's about being smart, resourceful, and making every dollar stretch further. My first real adventure came after months of careful preparation. My son and I plotted a European journey that would make most budget travelers proud, from London to France to Italy and back again. We weren't wealthy, but we were strategic. Rail passes instead of flights, free museum days instead of expensive tours. Every decision was intentional. The British Museum welcomed us without charging a penny. At the Musée d'Orsay in Paris, I'm sure I'm mispronouncing that, well, we discovered a day with waived entry fees. These weren't just cost-saving moments. They were discoveries, windows into worlds that we'd dreamed about. And traveling by rail gave us the chance to experience the countryside up close. Watching the sunrise over the Italian hills from a train window, it's something I will never forget. If you struggle with trip planning, don't worry. I've got you covered with my first travel secret, travel tour websites. These aren't just booking platforms. They're like having a super smart, well-traveled cousin who knows all the secret spots. These websites are about to become your new best friend. Even if you're not buying their packages, their itineraries are basically a free cheat sheet to incredible experiences. Must-see spots, hidden neighborhood gems, boutique hotels that aren't in every tourist guide. It's all right there. When I planned my European adventure, I became a travel detective. I didn't just look at their websites, I studied them, pieced together the perfect path, discovered restaurants that weren't just places to eat, but stories waiting to be experienced. The result was an incredible itinerary that hit every highlight without the massive price tag of a professional travel planner. These websites gave me more than information. They gave me a roadmap to an unforgettable adventure. They're inviting you to dream, to explore, to discover. What's the one destination that's been on your bucket list? Put it down in the comments. My next travel secret is all about off-season travel, your secret weapon. Most people hear off-season and think boring, but let me tell you something. Off-season is where the magic happens. Traveling during the off-season is a game changer. Not only will you save on flights and accommodations, but you'll also skip the crowds. Imagine strolling through Paris in November. No crushing crowds, no ridiculous lines at the Louvre, crisp air, fewer tourists, and prices that make your wallet smile. Same experience, fraction of the price. I've done this. New Orleans during summer, people think I'm crazy, but here's the truth. While everyone else may be melting, I'm scoring incredible deals. Hotel rooms that normally go for $300 a night, I'm grabbing them up at $120. Museums are less crowded, restaurants actually have availability, and the local culture more authentic than ever. The locals aren't overwhelmed by the tourist influx, so you can get more of that local vibe. My next travel secret is all about accommodations. The key here is to think outside the hotel box. Hotels are nice, but they're not your only option. Home exchanges, house sitting, senior discounts, these can be game changers too. Platforms like Home Exchange let you literally swap homes with someone else. Imagine staying in a charming French cottage without spending a dime on accommodations. Plus, you get the added bonus of living like a local, not just visiting like a tourist. House sitting? Even better. Not only do you get free accommodations, but you might also get a furry friend to keep you company. It's a win-win. For traditional lodging, always, and I mean always, ask about senior discounts. Just as one example, Choice Hotels offers up to 10% off for guests 60 and older. Now that might not sound like much, but over a week-long trip, that's dinner and wine money, my friends. Next is one of my favorite travel secrets: embrace slow travel. Spending more time in one location can save you money and stress. For instance, renting an Airbnb for a month often costs less per night than a short hotel stay. Plus, staying longer allows you to discover the best local spots, cook your own meals, and truly immerse yourself in the culture. There's nothing quite like becoming a temporary local. My next travel secret is all about meal strategies that save big. Dining out every meal is a budget killer, but that doesn't mean that you can't enjoy incredible food. Local markets are your culinary playground. Fresh baguettes, local cheese, incredible wine. Create your own picnic. In Paris, I've had meals that cost less than €10 that were more memorable than any $100 restaurant dinner. If your accommodation has a kitchen, cooking a few meals can save a bundle. Save on breakfast and lunch, then splurge on an incredible dinner out. It's all about balance. Let's talk moving around without breaking the bank. Cars are expensive. Taxis, don't even get me started. City transit passes are your new best friend. In most European cities, an unlimited pass costs less than a single taxi ride. And walking, it's not just free, it's an experience. Some of my most incredible travel memories happened while wandering streets I never planned to explore. And for those traveling in Europe, rail passes are a budget traveler's best friend. Just pack light to avoid baggage fees. And don't be afraid to venture beyond the tourist hotspots. While the big European cities like Paris and Rome are certainly iconic, smaller towns often offer richer, more intimate experiences at a fraction of the cost. Some of my best travel memories come from wandering through quiet villages and uncovering hidden gems that felt like they were just waiting for me to find them. My final travel secret is the infamous travel rewards, your financial secret weapon. This one has been such a wonderful boost to my travel budget. I signed up for a travel rewards card right after my son first got stationed overseas. Since then, multiple trips to California, Italy, and Greece, all essentially funded by points from everyday purchases. The key? Pay off your balance monthly. Use it like a debit card. Accumulate points, not debt. So you see, retirement travel isn't about how much money you have. It's about how smartly you use what you've got. You're not done experiencing the world. You're just getting started. Which of these strategies are you most excited to try? Drop a comment. Let's inspire each other to live our best lives in retirement. If you need a little help adding to your retirement savings, check out the tips in my Savvy Spending playlist. Until next time, safe travels.